Hello guys. Um, this is a demo on how to create a new trial or paid Business Sensor license. So after installing Business Sensor, you need to get a license, and before you can proceed, it could either be trial version or paid version. So in this demo, I'm gonna describe how to create a trial version license. So to do so, first of all, you have to go to the product you want. Let's say you want the hotel management. It could be anyone. So just let's say we want hotel management. This, by the way, this businesssensor.com website. You go to the product, hotel reservation ERP. Go straight to that product and let it load. So we have the page. Now you scroll to the bottom, and then you see all the various versions we have. These are the versions we have. We have the standard, silver, and gold. Let's say you want the silver, and you have your number of rooms right here. Let's say you have the 51 to 75 rooms, and you want a trial version key for that. Just go to the bottom and click free trial. Okay. That takes you to the licensing page. Now here, if you have not logged in before, it's going to ask you to provide your username and password to log in. But if you are just coming in for the first time, you want to fill in your details. So I'm going to fill in my details right here. That's your organization name. Then the contact person, and then you put the phone, whatever it is, and then you put your email address. I'm going to use this. And then sign up. Okay, so here you put the password you want. Confirm it. And then make sure all the other information are okay. If it looks good, then you proceed. This organization address. Okay, I'm gonna put my address. The city. Okay. So, country. And then you can put your picture if you want, and it's going to ask you this little puzzle. What is 9 plus 3? You just put the answer there. If it's wrong, it's not going to take it. 9 plus 3, of course, that's 12. And then you sign up. Yeah, and you're good to go. I can save that password there if I want. So it's taking straight up. It's taking me to the page for the license. So we're done with the signing up. Straight and simple. Now we're on the product page. So you notice I just created my password, and then it takes me straight here. It has logged me in. So I have my control panel. I can log off. So currently I've logged in as the new user I just created. So I'm not going to pick this now. Let me just show you something. So if I go to control panel now, you see I have various items I could pick here. So our concentration is on the device licenses. We have 0 currently. If we go to detail, there'll be nothing there. And then I'm going to go back to what I was doing before. Now that I've logged in, I could just easily go to create free trial, and takes me to this page again. If I like, let me just to show you another way of getting there. I'm going to log off. If I go to product again, I can go to the same place, free trial, and then log in straight. So that's the login I just created. Login, it takes me straight to the same place. So we get out of the way. Now, while here, you could make some other modifications. You have the package you want. We have three packages on that product, so you could choose any one you like. Uh, Package capacity, this is the number of rooms, so you still have the opportunity of changing it. Then we have the acquisition mode. By default, you have 45 days trial, so there are other ones. But if you choose permanent non-expiring, it's going to give you the price. So let's just go to the 45 days free trial. So every other ones are like subscription based. So the free one there is a 45 days evaluation. So with that, it's going to allow us to, let me just do that. Let's see what this is. Wow. Good. So yeah, we have 45 days. Proceed. It's trying to create a, so now we have the license page. So our control panel now has something. Remember the other time we checked the control panel, we didn't have anything. Right now we do. So that's the control panel. You see, we now have licenses one. Go to detail, and then here you have it. Okay, so on getting here to obtain your license, the business sensor does not know your PC identity yet, so you need to provide your PC identity. How do you get that? Okay, so let me spin up our business sensor. Okay, I'm just gonna log in, then I'll be able to show you where the PC key is. So that's business sensor loaded, but how do we see the key? So the first time you start business sensor, definitely you're gonna see this, and I believe you've already seen that already. Okay, so sorry, there's the wrong version. So the first time you try to start business sensor, it's gonna give you this, and this is where you're gonna see your PC key. So that's the key he's asking about. So you pick that key, and it's better to always copy directly, so that you're not gonna make mistake. Sometimes you may not know whether you're seeing an O or a 0, so better to copy directly. So now this is showing that you have one license unit, and so it's saying license used up because it has created a space, though it's not being generated. So just paste the key there, and then this way you just put an identifier to know the machine you're actually licensing. So this on your own terms. So like there's a little explanation down here. Device name could be any name you choose to identify your device, e.g. Melbourne server or Ikeja shop. So let's just say so just anything. So from there, after that you click generate. So it's going to hit the API and generate your license. So we have the license generated right here, and you're unable to add extra. So we have the PC key, we have the name of the machine, we have the transaction ID, and we have the license code. So these are the two stuffs we need to fill up the license space. So which are this and that. Okay. Now another advantage of this is you don't need to manually call whenever you lose your license. You just log in and check your license logs. So as over the years, as you continue to have more servers, you're going to have multiple boxes like this per license. Okay, so now we've generated a license, and then we can copy. So when we copy, let's see what it's gonna give us as the copy text. So you could just paste this somewhere. You can paste it directly to the license box. It's not gonna work that way. Just paste it on something, maybe a notepad, and then pick the text from there and apply to Business Central, and everything will be okay. So, folks, that is what I have to show you right now. Thank you.